So I'll be showing you how to juggle the football in FC24. Now this can be done by any player. All you have to do is just make sure you're not moving and then press L2 and R2. Just keep pressing L2, R2, L2, R2 like that interchangeably, and any player will juggle the football. Okay, this can be done by any skill level player, including the goalkeeper. Let's try and send it back to the keeper. And you can see it's L2, R2 interchangeably, as you can see in the controller overlay in the top right corner. Simple as that. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.